Hi, I'm Erin Shakoor with Shakoor Interiors, and we are in historic, beautiful Kenwood in Chicago, Illinois. This house was in total disrepair, and our teams came in, collaborated with the client, the architect, and the builder. Today, this house is absolutely stunning, and I cannot wait to show you what we've done. So the first thing you notice when you come into this space, you can see the gorgeous sunken living room. The client had a very traditional aesthetic initially, and we talked long about how we could make this house modern and edgy and still keep her traditional aesthetic. And so what we did was we paired existing furnishings with new modern furnishings. We also did a lot of refinishing and refurbishing so that it would pair and marry well with the decor overall. And now let's go upstairs to what once was the atrium and is now the family room. So in the family room, we decided to provide different types of seating for a multitude of purposes and functions. But I love how the atrium and all the light from this space just brightens up everything. All of this natural light, you cannot beat that. And we're able to use dark colors, bright colors, and a variety of textures in this space. It's a gathering space, much like the dining room. And this salmon kind of coral color that's on the walls is a beautiful backdrop for this gorgeous crystal chandelier that the clients absolutely love. Also, in this open floor plan, we have the beautiful kitchen. At one point, this was a closed-off, walled-in kitchen with a tiny, narrow door that allowed you to come out into the dining area. But here it's been completely opened up, and there's a large island in this space. And because the clients love to entertain, they decided to put 2 ovens in, and one is hidden here at the back of the island. It's a little secret door, so to speak. I adore this refrigerator. It's a hidden gem because many people don't realize what's behind these beautiful mirrored doors, but it is indeed a refrigerator, freezer, and a pantry. It's gorgeous. Now let's head upstairs to see what we did in the primary suite. On our way up to the primary suite, I want to stop here and take note of this beautiful original stained glass. And if you look up top, there's a star and crescent, which is emblematic of the Muslim religion. And this house was previously owned by Honorable Elijah Muhammad, who commissioned this amongst the other homes on this block for his children. Here in the primary suite, which has a very regal feel to it, we decided to juxtapose and combine traditional elements with a more modern color palette. We decided to mix texture and pattern that keeps the room looking more classic. It also includes this gorgeous bathroom infused with black and white porcelain and polished nickel fixtures with a beautiful freestanding tub. Thank you so much for joining me today. We're absolutely excited to share this project with you, and I'm thrilled to be able to work with clients who want to take risks and collaborate to make stunning and dynamic spaces. Hopefully we'll see you soon in a project in Chicago.
If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content, subscribe to Open House TV.